Hi friends, today I'm showing you this USB-C long cables. These are for charging the USB-C devices. So the one side is USB 3.0 and USB-A you can say, and the other side is the USB-C. So this is more like flexible without disconnecting or disintegrating the corner. So you can see the braided cable is properly secure. And the same thing from the USB-C side. So this is not easy to break. And I just put in my USB-C in my laptop and it start working.